Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make an easy back strap. You can see it's a very beautiful and easy pattern to make. I have used a cotton macrame yarn and a hook of 2.5 millimeters. So before starting the tutorial, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button of the video, and don't forget to share the video. So let's get started. So at first, take your yarn and leave a long tail. I will be using this long tail of the yarn to fix it with the bag. Now make a slip knot. After making the slip knot, I am making 4 chains. Now I'm making 1 single crochet on the 3rd and 4th chain from the hook. So here it is. Now I'm going to turn my work. So on the 2nd single crochet, I am inserting my hook, yarn over and pull up a loop, and on the 1st chain, I am inserting the hook, yarn over and pull up a loop. Now there are 3 loops on the hook. Now take the hook out of the first 2 loops, hold the loops, yarn over, pull up a loop through the first loop. Now insert through the 2nd, pull up a loop, insert through the 3rd loop, and yarn over and pull up a loop. Now we have again 3 loops on the hook, and I'm going to repeat this process every time. Through the first loop, yarn over and pull up a loop, through the second one, yarn over and pull up a loop, and through the third one as well, yarn over and pull up a loop. So we are going to repeat this pattern until we get our desired length. So this is a very easy pattern to make. You just need to be careful while taking the hooks out of the first 2 loops. Hold the first 2 loops between your middle finger and your thumb so that they do not fall off. So in the end, I am going to yarn over and pull up the loop through all the 3 loops and make one last chain. And also in the end, I am going to keep a long tail of the yarn so that I can fix the strap with my bag. So this is a very easy pattern of a back strap. There are plenty of ways to make a back strap, and this is one of them, and I found it the most easiest one. So here today I'm going to end the tutorial. So please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and share the video. See you soon in my next tutorial. Till then, take care. Goodbye.